I'm always trying to find new things to help me just slow down and not work all the time. And my newest favorite thing is balancing stones by the creek.
We have to take this off because winter's over and we don't have to clean out the stable anymore. We've got to put the bush hog on so we can start mowing all summer long. It's just me and I'm not that good at it. We got to start taking this apart. We just have to take 3 points off here. We've got the top and 2 sides. Willa, you gonna help me, Willa? There's one. There we go. Yay! I can do this. She's my little helper. There she is. My little silver. Okay, girl, I gotta back up. Get this one out. I hope. Willa, you can help me. All right. The bush hog's eating my bar. Let me see if I can figure this out, Willa. Let's lift it and see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are we gonna get it? Oh my gosh, it's great. I'm so excited. I can't believe I did that. It's the first time I've done the top one by myself. Ooh, look at that. That's too easy, people. No way. No way. Alright, so now we've got to get the sides. Now the trick here is to figure out how to get this out from under. Okay, if I could kick it out of the way. Oh yeah. It's a puzzle. Really trying to think this through. Oh my goodness. A little bigger than a bird brain. My chicken brains. I know. Back up. Back up. Fake it till you make it. The chickens are cheering me on. So if I need to lift up, I hear a baby chickie. We're gonna visit them in a little while. Alright, so listen to that, babe. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. That is freaking luck. Slow it down. Yeah, you do. Yes.
Thank you for visiting again. I hope you enjoyed it. Watching our journey as we learn how to slow down and enjoy all the little things. Please subscribe if you enjoy our content, and we'll see you next week.